Welcome back to another video, guys. Halloween has just been and gone, and like I did last year, I ran a workshop which was Halloween themed, and this is the set that I came up with. So it's kind of similar to what I did last year with the dead trees and made a spooky dead forest in the studio here. This time my stunning model for the workshop was Rielle La'Vish, and she's been studying special effects makeup. So she came up with a concept to do a Black Widow inspired shoot. So that was also the inspiration for this set. I really didn't know what I was going to do set-wise until the day before. So the morning of the workshop, I went out to the cheapy stores and picked up a heap of this spiderweb, and then spent a couple of hours just setting it all up. So for lighting, I'm using the Lupo LED lights. Behind me on either side, we've got the Lupo full color 30s, and the light above, which is the full color 60. So I wanted to create depth in the image, not only just with the spiderweb being sort of in the foreground, middle ground and background, but also create some depth with the lights as well. So the full color 30s, generally kept them fairly warm, and the full color 60, I kept that a bluish tone, which gave a nice kind of separation to the background. Lighting me in front here is the Lupo Superpanel dual color, and I set that to 5,000 degrees Kelvin, and that's what I set my Fuji X-H1 to for all the shots that I did. Exposure wise, for the still shots, I was shooting around 800 ISO and 2.8, around 200th of a second for most of the shots. And I shot on the Fuji 56mm 1.2, which is my sort of go-to portrait lens. So after the workshop, I decided this was too good to pull down straight away. So I kept it up for a week and managed to get a few of the burlesque girls to book in for some little mini shoots. So here's some behind the scenes of the workshop with Rielle. And at the end, I'll add in a few shots that I did with the burlesque girls during their mini shoots as well, just to give you an idea of what we came up with and what we could do with changing the color of the light. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And until we see you in the next video, Ciao for now.